Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, an Azure subscription and a global administrator account. Sign into the Azure portal, then open Azure Active Directory. Create a new tenant by choosing organization type and entering the tenant name and initial domain. Once done, make sure to select the correct country and review billing implications. These settings affect compliance and data residency. You are starting the tenant now rather than delaying, because early configuration prevents downstream conflicts with domains and users. Next, you add and verify your custom domain. Go to Custom Domain Names and add the DNS-TXT record provided. Once DNS propagates, verify the domain so users can use company addresses. Then create user accounts and security groups. Assign roles such as user administrator or global reader where appropriate. If you have on-premises AD, install Azure AD Connect and configure sync rules. Once configured, make sure to test a sync and confirm user identities match expected UPN formats. Finally, you register applications and configure single sign-on or OAuth settings for each app so they use the new tenant. Enable conditional access policies and require multi-factor authentication for privileged accounts to reduce risk. Configure audit log retention and set up alerts in Azure Monitor. Create a dedicated recovery admin account and store its credentials securely. If things go wrong, check audit logs and sign-ins first. Use the recovery admin and self-service password, reset diagnostics to regain access, and then correct misconfigured policies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.